How you doing? So today we're going to make this curry. It's very mild, it's a beautiful aromatic chicken curry. Now obviously I've made hundreds of curries on the channel. This one's really for my son. If you're regular to the show, you'll know that I've got a daughter and a son, 9 and 7. The daughter being 9. Now, their mum is from Ethiopia, so we're a mixed family. My daughter eats anything, super spicy food, Ethiopian food, which is very spicy. She eats it, loves it. My boy is more English than me. He really is and doesn't eat a lot of stuff. He's very plain. So this curry is really for him. Let's get on with it. It's lovely. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get started with this. So I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. And to that, I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of cumin seeds and 3 green cardamoms. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get the chicken straight in. Now I've got chicken here. Skin is on, bone is in. And we're on just below a medium heat. So this is going to go in, and we're simply going to just fry this around for maybe 6 minutes or so, like that. You can see I've got some different parts, bits of legs, wings and what have you. The only other thing I'm going to do to this now is get some salt in there. And we're going to fry it, but I don't want to fry the life out of it, you know, not a really sort of high heat. So, yeah. I'll be moving that around. Just turn it up slightly. I'll be throwing this around in the pan for about 6 minutes. Really easy. Okay, so that's like 6 or 7 minutes. Let's get the heat nice and low now and take this chicken out. Now these are quite small pieces, so they're going to be cooked. If they're not cooked, don't worry, because you're going to be recooking this again. So out come the pieces. We're going to reduce that oil down by 50%, and we're going to go back in the pan with half the oil. We can move on to the next step. Okay, so I've reduced that oil right down. Still got some lovely flavour in there. 1 cup of onions cut nice and small. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes on a fairly low heat. So the onions are cooking really nicely. Next up, I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to drop in our powders. Let's just take a look, shall we? So what I'm using here is 3 teaspoons of coriander, 1 of turmeric, 1 of cumin, and 1 of chili, and 1 garam masala. So a lot of coriander in there, and not so much chili and cumin. Kind of gives it a bit more of a floral flavour, nice and mild. And to that I'm going to add 250 grams, or about a cup I suppose, of tomato paste. Now we're going to be like 6, 7, 8 minutes now. We're really going to cook this tomato paste out. Nice low heat. Stirring often. We're well on our way. It's really important that you do 7 or so minutes on this and cook it out. Really important, in fact. Don't skip it and don't cheat. Okay, next up, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut milk, just a small amount. I'm going to turn the heat up to medium now. We're going to add a little touch of water. It's like 100 ml. It's like 100 ml of coconut milk and 100 ml of water. And on a medium heat, we were on just below a medium heat. We're going to cook this for about another 4 or 5 minutes. Again, stirring often. Fabulous. Okay, we're going to add some more water now. So in total, I've added 500 ml or about a pint of water. We're staying on a medium heat. We're now going to reintroduce our chicken in here. Nice and mild, this one. Of course, we're not adding any fresh chili to this. Little bit of juice from the chicken, in that goes. A little stir here. We're then going to drop the gas down, or heat down, gas in my case, to not a simmer but above a simmer. Lid's going to go on. Leave that for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, then off goes the heat. Let's get the lid off, let some steam out. Beautiful. And there you go, that is delicious. That's really delicious. Now check that for salt. But for me, that's nice. My boy will eat that. And there you go, a really beautiful, aromatic, mild, non-spicy chicken curry. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that, just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.